So here we are now in Brighton. So this is one room that is still intact for a little while. And let's go and have a look in the bedroom and see what's going on there. Let's have a look. There's a skirting board that's come off. Katie Price has admitted she was stupid to leave her Louis Vuitton handbag inside her car while she went from Rio. And here we are now in the working area.
Oh, stop it.
And who's this? Oh my god, a Hungarian has broken into my flat and she's smashing it to pieces. What are you doing?
You're nuts.
Is there anything still left of the building, darling?
No, darling, no.
So,
we're putting like a big double door in here.
is this where the jacuzzi goes?
Yeah. You're nuts.
This is where the problem is.
Come on.
Yep, we've got damp issues all over the place. The whole place just falling to bits. Look at this. Oh god, what a mess. Yep, welcome to Brighton. My flat is falling to bits.
The good thing, the good news, darling. Yeah, look.
What's that?
Hang on. It's not wet in here.
What?
It's not wet there. We found the dry spot. Yay! No, actually, it's not wet there.
Is it not? Is it?
It's rising. It's the problem is here.
Is there any gold? Have you found it?
I am gold, you idiot.
Are we finding? Is there any treasure?
Yeah, absolutely.
Did you find the treasure map? I'm sure when we were looking at it, the X of the spot wasn't marked here, was it? Maybe we'll find some oil. Who knows? Well, keep going. Yeah, just make sure the ceiling doesn't fall down.
Come on, let's